Hello Mayhem Makers, Mindy with Quilting Mayhem, and we're back with another what I would call an unboxing. We got boxes. They're just already unboxed because we're trying to help get them out to the floor. We got so much fabric in today and I am excited. The first one I'm going to show, so we're doing Andover, their collection called Lighthouse. This is a Laundry Basket Quilts Editas Sitar's collection. This is her newest one and it is super cute. So hopefully all that plastic isn't too much for you guys as I currently throw it on the floor. Look at these cute prints. So they're definitely a more traditional designer if you don't know who she is. She has some great patterns. She's pretty prolific. I love this deep kind of cranberry in there. And here, we'll now kind of speed up a little bit so you can see and not be here all day long because we got a lot to get through. This is definitely kind of a smaller scale collection, but I do love it. Once again, you can do quilts, you can do bags, you can do garments, all kinds of fun stuff. So you can go check out Andover's website to check out Editas collections and pattern suggestions, or you can go to Laundry Basket Quilts and see some of the stuff she has to go with this collection. Now we're into like a navy. So it's kind of fun that she mixes between the teals and the navies all in one collection. Not as common, I think, with designers. And then pink. We're gonna end up making a hot mess because there's so many. This is a huge collection. We've gotten quite a few huge collections. This is cute because it's just little tiny circles. That's a great blender. They need to make more of that one because blenders seem to be popular for you guys. You guys love all of like these tiny prints, blendy pieces, because you don't have to stay just in this collection to use them, which is nice. They can work with other fabrics. We're just gonna keep going, but at least I'm not sitting on the floor this time. That's sometimes a struggle. And these are a cream low volume print that she's got, or a cream tone on tone, along with more kind of a small scale and the different. And we do have these, will be out on the sales floor. They are on the website already. So larger scale floral. So if you go to quiltingmayhem.com and you type Lighthouse, you will see this collection and pre-cuts. We do have, I think the pre-cuts already made it out. They escaped to the sales floor already. My receiving clerk's been trying to clean out her room in here. It gets a little claustrophobic for her with all these fabrics that start to pile up. In here, another floral. Especially I kind of blocked her in with boxes when I opened all this up. So we definitely try to get it to the floor as soon as possible. So we did get, I saw some jelly rolls. I think I saw some charms, some layers. And I'm sure we'll probably have some fat quarters too. So a little bit of everything. Oh, cherries. That's a fun cherry print. Very realistic looking. There it is in kind of that cream with the browns and taupes. We're almost there. Another kind of tonal. Another floral. The fabric's attacking my camera person. And then we have 108. This is where I get my workout for the day. This is heavy. 108 in this lovely blue floral print. And then we have in this cream, kind of all over, goes with the full collection. So that is also a 108 that will be going out to the sales floor. So hopefully you can either come to the store and check out the collection yourself or go to the website and shop for it at quiltingmayhem.com. Hope you have a lovely day and keep on stitching.